So what I was telling, suppose A or B both मेरा 0 है, so for A0 this PMOS will become 1, and for this 0 this PMOS will become 1. So my Q1 and Q2 both are in on condition, and for Q3 and Q4 this is 0, this is 0. So here it is getting 0, here also it is getting 0. Both are 0. So both are in off condition. So what happened? The output will draw current from VDD from this path as well as this path. So my final output will become 1. For the next thing, see, when A is my 0 and B is 1. A is 0 and B is 1. Now see it from here. If my A is 0, this Q1 transistor will be on. And for B1, this will become 0. This transistor is off. And for A1, A0, this will become off. B1, this will become 1. Sorry. This is on. So now see, though this Q4 transistor is on, ये मेरा on है, but ये तो मेरा off है. ये off है means is breaking the circuit over here. So current cannot be pulled from ground. But in case of the upper part, you see this transistor is on and this transistor is off. So as this transistor is on, it's drawing the current from here to the output. Means उसको एक path मिल रहा है, but lower part से उसको path नहीं मिलेगा क्योंकि Q4 on है, but Q3 मेरा off है. So it is becoming the open circuit over here. Though this part is off, but still this Q1 transistor makes the output to become 1 as because it's able to draw current from VDD through the Q1 transistor. And for the next part, when A is my 1, now if you consider A as in 1 and B is your 0. So here I'm considering A1 and B0. So now what will happen? A is my 1, so it will become 0 over here. B is my 0, it will become 1 over here. And in the lowermost part, when A is my 1, this will be 1, and B will 0, this will become 0. So for this part, A1 means Q3 is on. Q3 is on. And for B0, Q4 is off. And for the uppermost part, A1 means Q1 is off. And for B0, Q1 is on. So now see again from this, though my Q3 is in on condition, but Q4 is in off condition. As it is connected in series, Q4 agar band hai, so it will become again an open circuit. It will not draw current from the ground. So this part is becoming obsolete again. And for the upper part, though Q1 is off, but the output will draw current from VDD via Q2 transistor because my Q2 transistor is on. So the current will flow from this path and go to the output. Because current always follow the shortest path to flow. So यहाँ पे इसको यहाँ से path नहीं मिल रहा है तो क्या है? उसको यहाँ पे तो path मिल रहा है flow होने के लिए. So it will draw the current from VDD from this path to the output. So again my output will become 1. And for the last combination, for when my A and B both will be 1, A is 1, suppose your B is also 1, A is 1 and B is also 1. So for 1, it will give 1 over here. For 1, it will give 1 over here. And for 1, it will become 0. And for 1, it will become 0. So for 1-1 combination, when my both input will be high, 1-1, so my Q1 transistor is also off and Q2 transistor also off, as because both are becoming 0. But for Q3 and Q4, both are 1. So both the transistor will be on. So as because Q1 and Q2 both are off, current will not be drawn from the VDD to the output. So the current will draw from ground to output, as because this both transistors are in on condition. ये दोनों on है, so it is getting path to draw current from ground, as because Q1 and Q2 both are in off condition, current cannot be drawn from VDD, as because this is providing a open circuit and this is providing you the short circuit or the closed circuit or the closed path. So my final output will become 0, as because the output is drawing current from ground. So if you compare the output of this circuit with the truth table of basic NAND gate, so see, both the output are same. So this is the CMOS logic representation of NAND gate using the NMOS and PMOS transistor. डाउट है किसी को? पूछो. कहीं पे भी कुछ समझ में नहीं आया तो पूछो.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so is it clear for everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. So now I will draw the NOR gate representation using CMOS. This is the NAND gate representation. Now I will draw the NOR gate representation of it. एक काम करते हैं, NAND के साथ साथ AND भी करवा देते हैं, क्योंकि AND is connected to NAND gate. Then I will go to the NOR gate. So now I will design AND gate using CMOS logic. So for NAND gate, what you will do? First, you will draw. Steps are draw the CMOS logic representation of NAND gate. फर्स्ट हम लोग क्या ये जो है इसी को ड्रॉ करेंगे. दिस इज माय VDD. सॉरी. See, up to here, this is same as because this is the NAND gate. But you can ask me, ma'am, here you have drawn this like this, and you have यहाँ पे आप इसको आप उल्टा ड्रॉ किए हो. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आप इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. इसको आप ऐसे ड्रॉ करो या ऐसे ड्रॉ करो, इसका फंक्शनलिटी सेम है. बस आपको ध्यान रखना होगा, whenever you are drawing PMOS, you have to keep a bubble over here, and when you are drawing a NMOS, you have to keep it without a bubble. That's it. आप इसको चाहे इस तरफ से ड्रॉ करो या इस तरफ से ड्रॉ करो, इसका कोई अंतर नहीं है. This is same. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं उसमें. So now this is the representation of your NAND gate. So I'm just putting the NAND logic over here. ये जो पूरा टेबल है इसको हम ड्रॉ नहीं कर रहे हैं, मीन्स ये जो पार्ट है इसको हम छोड़ के सिर्फ ये पार्ट और आउटपुट पार्ट यही तक की इसको ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं. आउटपुट 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. So here it is getting 1 1 1 and 0. So see, this is my output of NAND gate. इसके ऊपर अगर हम एक नॉट लगा देते हैं, means if I put a NOT gate over here, after this, if I put a NOT gate over here, what we will get? We'll get the output as in 0, 0, 0, 1. इस आउटपुट के ऊपर एक नॉट गेट लगा देते तो क्या हो जाएगा? 0, 0, 0, 1. एंड दिस इज द ट्रूथ टेबल ऑफ एंड गेट. राइट, यही जो आपका है, यही तो आपका एंड गेट का ट्रूथ टेबल का फाइनल आउटपुट है. आपको फाइनली यही चाहिए. सो what I have done, I have put a NAND gate over here at the output of the NAND gate. और आपको क्या मालूम है नॉट गेट कैसे दिखता है? एक सिंपल CMOS के तरह, means a CMOS inverter acts as in NOT gate. So what I will do, I will put a NOT gate, means a CMOS inverter at the output of NAND gate. So what I am doing here, I will draw a CMOS inverter. Suppose this is my Q5, this is Q6. So I'm just writing Q5 and Q6 over here. And this is my final output Y dashed, right? So what will happen? When my input is 1, means when I'm getting 1 as an input, what will happen? It will go 0 over here and it will come 1 over here. 1 जब इसका आउटपुट इस ये NAND गेट का आउटपुट जब 1 है, so for the CMOS inverter it is getting 1 as an input. 1 जब PMOS पे जा रहा है, it will become 0, and when it is coming to the NMOS it is becoming 1. So in case of 1, Q5 is off and Q6 is on. So as because this is off and this is on, current will drop from ground to the output and the output will become 0. Again for 1, the same situation will prevail. This is off, this is on, current will draw from ground. Same. This is on, current will draw from ground. And for 0, what happened? For 0, it will become 1 and 1 will become 0. So this is off and the upper transistor is on. So the current will draw from VDD. So it will become on. And this is the truth table of AND gate. So what we will do to design a AND gate using CMOS logic? First, draw the CMOS logic representation of AND gate. Second, put a CMOS inverter to the output of NAND logic. And the third is the output of the CMOS inverter will give the final output of AND gate. So this is AND gate design using CMOS logic. Doubt है तो पूछो. कुछ भी समझने में कुछ दिक्कत हुआ है तो पूछो. So it's clear for everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So now I will draw a NOR gate, and from the NOR gate, I will again design the OR gate from it. First, NOR gate representation using CMOS logic. So before going to the CMOS design, just recapitulate the basic NOR gate. NOR gate कैसा होता है दिखने में? ऐसा. This is Y, which is equal to A plus B bar. Means it is nothing but a simple OR gate where a NOT gate puts in front, means A, B. It will become A plus B. After NOTing, it will become A plus B bar. So this is the NOT gate representation. And what it will become, its truth table? Its truth table is A, B and Y can be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So for NOT gate, it will become 1, 0, 0 and 0. So this is the truth table of NOT gate, right? Means the inverted output of the OR gate. So now what will happen? We will design the NOR logic with the use of CMOS logic. Now what I have told you, in case of pull-up network, it will be in parallel connect and or will be in series connection. In pull-up network, or connection will be in series, and for pull-down network, or connection will be in parallel. So remembering this principle, what I will do, A plus B, from the Boolean function, we know this is a OR connection. So as it is OR connection, so the CMOS logic will look like this. This is in series. And the pull down network is in parallel connection. Here is the output, which is considered as Y. So this is A, B, and again this is A, this is B. So this is my transistor 1, transistor 2, Q3, Q4. These are PMOS, and this is NMOS. So again draw the truth table. A, B, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, and Y. So my input can be in combination of 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So now see it from the circuit. When A and B both are 0, when A and B both are 0. Here it is also 0, here also it is 0. ये 0 होने से क्या हो जाएगा? My Q1 become 1 and Q2 also will become 1. And for 0, Q3 is 0 and Q4 is 0. So for 0, Q1, Q2 both are in on condition and Q3 and Q4 both are in off condition, right? So now if these two are in off condition, what happened? It cannot draw current from the ground because this is providing an open circuit. Both are off, the circuit is open, and Q1 and Q2 both are on. So this is forming a path towards the output from VDD, as because both are 1 and both are providing a short path from VDD towards the output. So my final output will become 1. So when A is 0, B is 1. Now suppose A is 0, B is my 1. A is 0, B is my 1. A is 0 means here it will become 1, and B is 1, here it will become 0. A is 0, B is becoming 1, so it's in on condition. When B is 1, it is in, Q2 is in off condition. And when A is 0, Q3 also 0, means it is in off condition. And here for B1, Q4 is 1. B1 means Q4 is also 1. So this is an on condition. Now see, here it is on despite of Q1 is on and Q2 is off, so what happened? ये on है, ये मेरा off है. ये off होने से क्या, ये path यहाँ पे break हो जा रहा है from VDD to output. ये on है but Q तो मेरा off है. Off है इसीलिए यहाँ पे एक break हो रहा है circuit पे. So current cannot draw from VDD. But for the pull down network, as because my Q4 is on, ये मेरा off है. But अगर मेरा Q4 on है, so what will happen? Current will draw from ground from this path, via this path. ये पार्ट मेरा ऑफ है बट ये तो मेरा ओपन सर्किट है. ये ओपन सर्किट है, so what it will do? It will draw current from ground to output. So my final output will become 0. And for A equal to 1, A is 1 and B is 0. As my A in 1, so it will become 0. As B is 0, it will become 1. And for the down part, A is 1, so it will also be 1. And for B 0, it will also be 0. So what happened? A is 1 and Q1 transistor is off. And for B0, Q2 transistor is on. And for A1, Q3 transistor is on. And for this, Q4 transistor is off. So from the upper network, what you can see, your Q2 transistor is on and Q1 transistor is off. So here it will form a circuit break over here. So it cannot draw current from VDD towards the output. And in case of downward network, what happens? Q4 is off, but my Q3 is on. As because Q3 is on, it is drawing current from ground to the output from this side. So the final output will become 0 as it drawing current from ground. And for the last combination, for both 1-1 condition, means A is 1 and B is also 1, A1 and B is also 1. What happened? For A1, B1, for A1, B is also 1. For A1, this is 0, and for B1, this is 0. So what happened? यहाँ पे दोनों ही मेरा ऑफ है, दोनों ट्रांजिस्टर ऑफ है, इसको भूल जाओ आप. और यहाँ पे दोनों ही ऑन है, so the current will draw to the output from both from both Q3 and Q4. Hence, the output will be 0. As because this is also off, this is also off, and this is on, and this is also on. So my output will draw from ground again, and the final output will become 0. And see, this both truth table are same, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0. So this is the representation of NOR gate using CMOS logic. Okay, fine. Next, what I will do, I will draw the OR gate from this NOR gate. OR gate using CMOS logic. So for this, first step, draw the NOR gate, NOR representation using CMOS logic. Next, draw an inverter, means a CMOS inverter to the output of the NOR logic. Hence, finally what you will get? Finally, at the output of inverter, you get the same output as of OR gate. See, because we know here we have drawn the NOR gate. This is the output of NOR logic. नॉर लॉजिक के ऊपर अगर आप यहाँ पे एक नॉट गेट लगा देते हो, मीन्स हियर यू हैव पुट अ नॉट गेट ओवर हियर, व्हाट इट विल बिकम 0 1 1 1, and this is the output of OR gate. This is a truth table function of OR gate. So what I will do here, again I will not draw this part, I will only draw this part and this logic first. So for the NOR gate, VDD, this is A, B, A, B, this is your ground, this is your output. So what I am doing, I am putting a inverter logic to the output of the NOR gate. Suppose this is my Q5 and this is Q6. And this is your final output Y dashed. This is Y and this is Y dashed. So what I will do, final truth table, this is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. For the node we are getting 1 0 0 0. So now this is my Q5, this is Q6, and this is final Y dashed. See, from here what will happen? When my input is 1, means the output of the NOR gate is 1, which I am giving input to the inverter. Here it is 1, means this will become 0 and this is 1. So as this is 0, this is an open circuit, it will not draw current from VDD, and this is 1, it will draw current from this side. It will become 0. So the Q5 is off and Q6 is on. And from 0, and now if I make it 0, so it will become 1 and this will become 0. So my Q5 will become on and Q6 will become off. As this is off, the current will draw from the VDD, so it will become 1. So same condition, this will be on, this will be off, this will be on, and this will be off. So each time current will draw from the VDD towards the output, and hence this is the output of OR gate. So this is your NAND gate, sorry, this is your NOR gate, and putting an inverter or CMOS inverter logic to the output of the NOR gate, you are getting the OR gate. So today we have gone through the basic gates, that is AND, OR, and NOT, using the CMOS logic, and also the universal gate using the CMOS logic, that is your NAND and NOR. Anyone have any doubt in today's class? You can ask me. So it's clear for everyone?
मैम इससे ZOR और XNOR गेट भी बनता है क्या?
Exactly, ZOR और XNOR का भी बनता है. XNOR आपको हम अगले क्लास में दिखा देंगे कैसे उसको डिजाइन करते हैं, और ZOR आपको हम करने देंगे. आप एक खुद अपने हाथों से बनाओगे तो द थिंग विल बी क्लियर, क्रिस्टल क्लियर फ्रॉम योर एंड ऑल्सो. आपके इस हफ्ते जो असाइनमेंट देंगे उसमें हम ZOR आपको बनाने देंगे. XOR नेक्स्ट क्लास में आपको बना के हम दिखा देंगे. बाकी आप बना भी सकते हो. यू नो द ट्रूथ टेबल, यू नो द बुलियन फंक्शन. एक चीज आपको हम और एक दिखा देते हैं ताकि आपको एक कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो जाए, वो पैरेलल और सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन का. मानिए आपके पास एक बुलियन फंक्शन दिया हुआ है. ये हमको बहुत सारा एग्जाम्पल कराएंगे नेक्स्ट क्लास में. आपके पास कोई गेट नहीं है. सपोज सी, जो भी गेट्स है उसका एक तो बुलियन फंक्शन है ना, वो बुलियन फंक्शन को देख के ही तो हम लोग डिजाइन कर रहे हैं. उसको कैसे डिजाइन करना है, उसका पैरेलल कनेक्शन होगा पीमॉस में या सीरीज कनेक्शन होगा, which all depends on the logic of that particular thing only. So if I give you a Boolean function, suppose I am giving you y equal to a plus bc. So this is a Boolean function which is denoted as y इक्वल टू a प्लस बी सी। अगर हम बोले ये जो बुलियन फंक्शन है, ड्रॉ दिस बुलियन फंक्शन यूजिंग CMOS टेक्नोलॉजी, ड्रॉ दिस using CMOS logic. So what we will do? I have told you one thing, that in case of pull-up network, the end connection will be in parallel. So यहाँ पे फर्स्ट क्या करेंगे, हम BC को फर्स्ट लेंगे. So जैसे हम लोग सोचिए ना, जैसे हम लोग डिजिटल सर्किट में कैसे इसको डिजाइन करते थे, BC we will put a AND gate over here. AND गेट के इनपुट में हम लोग देते थे B और C. This is my B into C. So this BC is in odd connection with A. So we are giving A. This is a OR gate. So my final output was A plus BC. राइट ये जो आपका डिजिटल सर्किट डिजाइन में ऐसे आप डिजाइन करते थे. सो नाउ इफ यू डिजाइन दिस थिंग फ्रॉम यूजिंग CMOS लॉजिक, सो अगेन व्हाट यू विल डू, यू विल स्टार्ट विद दिस BC. सो माय BC इन एंड कंडीशन, एंड कंडीशन में क्या होगा, इन एंड द PMOS कनेक्शन और द पुल अप नेटवर्क विल बी इन पैरेलल. सो this is my B, this is my C. Now, what again it has been shown, and the odd connection will be in series. So here A is in series with B and C. Sorry. इसको थोड़ा नीचे ड्रॉ करते हैं क्योंकि A को मुझे ऊपर रखना है. A को हम नीचे भी रख सकते, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. This is B, this is C, this is my B, this is my C, and here what happens? A is in series. A is in series with both. Here is my A, and here is the VDD. This has become your pull-up network. From here, the output has been taken. So for the pull down, see, for the pull down, AND connection is in series. First, AND connection क्या है? BC है AND connection में. So my AND connection will be in series. This is my B, this is my C, and again odd connection is in parallel. और क्या है? A odd connection में. So this will become in parallel with B and C. This is your pull down network. So this is the CMOS logic representation of this Boolean function. आपको ये चीज बस याद रखना है, when it will become parallel, when it will become series, that's why I put a star over here, because you have to remember this thing. This is the basic principle of designing a CMOS logic. So XOR का देखिएगा, XOR के लिए उसका फंक्शन क्या होता है? Y equal to A XOR B. It is A B bar plus B A bar. You know this thing? So you can easily draw the XOR connection or the XOR representation in CMOS logic. ये आपको हम देंगे असाइनमेंट के लिए, आप खुद बनाओगे. किसी को कुछ समझने में कुछ दिक्कत हुआ है कैसे बुलियन फंक्शन से हम CMOS लॉजिक, ऐसे बहुत सारा एग्जांपल कराएंगे. अभी थोड़ा आपको दिक्कत होगा कि मतलब कौन सा पैरेलल कौन सा सीरीज है. जितना बनाओगे खुद हाथों से, जितना फंक्शंस को बनाओगे, धीरे धीरे देखिएगा ये क्लियर होता जा रहा है. बहुत इजी है, बहुत ज्यादा इजी है. ये समझने में कुछ भी डाउट है? कैसे बुलियन फंक्शन से हम इसको डिजाइन किए? Is it clear for everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So I'm ending this class over here. On the next class, I will show you the XOR connection as well as some more Boolean expression from where I will design the CMOS logic out of it. ओके जैसे जैसे आगे जाओगे आप देखोगे जितना सारा आप जो पढ़े हो आगे पिछले क्लास में डिजिटल सर्किट में फ्लिप फ्लॉप रजिस्टर जो भी है जितना सारा आपका डिजिटल सर्किट्स में था हर एक चीज को मल्टीप्लेक्सर डिमल्टीप्लेक्सर हर एक चीज को हम लोग डिजाइन करेंगे धीरे धीरे यूजिंग द CMOS टेक्नोलॉजी और द CMOS लॉजिक ओके so thank you everyone I'm ending this class today on the next class we will discuss the other thing
मैम अपलोड कर दीजिएगा ना गूगल क्लासरूम में
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल हम अपलोड कर देंगे गूगल क्लासरूम पे ओके थैंक यू सो मच
थैंक यू